Hey folks, today's a good day. It's a good day because we are going to be diving deep into a true New York City classic. I'm talking about the chopped cheese sandwich. A few weeks ago, I made a Philly cheesesteak video. Somebody commented and said, "Why don't you make a chopped cheese sandwich?" I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. I had no idea what a chopped cheese sandwich was at that point, but now I'm an expert. At least I play one on YouTube. The chopped cheese was born in Harlem and it's loved all over the boroughs. And today, I'm going to make one here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Let's see how this turns out. To make an authentic chopped cheese, here's what you need. Ground beef, 85/15 works the best. I have a nice 1/3 pound hamburger patty here. American cheese, good old gooey American cheese. Chopped onions. To give it that real authentic New York bodega kick, adobo seasoning. We're going to put our chopped cheese on a nice hoagie roll. We're going to toast this so it's nice and crispy. Garnish it with some fresh tomatoes and shredded lettuce. And it wouldn't be complete without some mayo and ketchup. Let's get this meat on the flat top. I have a nice cast iron flat top here. I have this screaming hot right now. Start by grilling the meat. I'm going to put a little beef tallow here to help our onions saute a bit. Hit it with some adobo seasoning. I'm going to let this sear for a few minutes. We're going to get a nice char on that burger. Time to give it a chop. Supposedly that's where the sandwich got its name, by chopping the meat and the onions together. There's no cheese on this yet, so I'm not sure why it's called a chopped cheese. We'll let that continue cooking for a few more minutes. Gonna give this hoagie roll a nice toasting. Time for the American cheese. We're going to let that melt right through the meat. While that's melting up, I'm going to salt and pepper our tomatoes. Just about time to start assembling our sandwich. Nice toasted bun here. Some ketchup, mayo, first the lettuce, then the tomatoes. That is looking good. This is a full sandwich. I'm going to wrap it in some paper. We'll let that sit in the wrap for a while and steam and marry all those flavors together. I think it's about time we give this chopped cheese a try. That looks like it's packed with flavor. How do I eat this thing? Should I eat it like a taco? I'm going right in. Excuse me. Oops. This is so good. It's juicy. It's savory. That adobo seasoning, I think, brings it all together. This is a good sandwich. Next time we go to New York, I'll be sure to stop at some bodega and order myself one. I'm sure theirs will be pretty good too. I think the key to all this was getting that really nice sear on that burger. Chopping it up with those onions and that American cheese is just melting all through this sandwich. Hey, if you're from New York or if you've ever had a New York chopped cheese, let me know how I did. Well, for this Throw It On Thursday, I thought I'd try something different, a viewer request for a chopped cheese. I'm sure glad I did. If any of you have any other requests that you'd like to see me make, maybe a regional type of dish, let me know. I'll give it a try. I do have one little confession to make. When I was looking up this sandwich, I found that you really needed to have adobo seasoning to have a really authentic chopped cheese. Checked out my local grocery store, they didn't have any adobo seasoning. So I went online and what I thought I was ordering was a container about this size. What came was a container this size. So I have a lot of adobo seasoning left. If you know what else I could use this seasoning for, send me a comment. I'd like to give that a try too, because I have a lot of seasoning to use up. Hey, thank you again so much for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate all of you that do that. Leave me a comment. I love reading them and I love responding to them. As usual, I had a really good day today. Hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.